Hi, I'm John from Halico Garage Doors. We've just replaced the full canopy spring assembly today. As the springs come from the factory, it's a little over tensioned, so we're just going to demonstrate that the door's too keen in the opening cycle, and then adjust the spring and check the balance. And that's too springy for the customer. So we're going to lock the shaft off and adjust the spring tension according. Okay, so that's the spring shaft locked off safely. And now with a 4mm Allen key and the tensioning bars, we'll adjust the spring counterbalance tension so that the door lifts more safely. That's the top grub screw slackened off. And also slacken off the bottom grub screw so we don't score the shaft. And then when you're adjusting tension to make the door easier, you simply allow the spring tension controlled to unwind, perhaps 2 to 3 full revolutions. Okay, we're going to lock the shaft off, the spring off on the shaft now again, and it is trial and error. We'll try the door balance, and if it's not good, we'll either adjust and decrease the tension further, or we may need to put a little bit back on. Tighten both grub screws securely. Release the clamp. And just check the door operation again. We're getting good assistance from the spring there, and it's not too keen and it won't be dangerous to use. I'm happy with that, and we'll now oil the door for the customer.